Kailangan nyo ang maniwala sa akin. Wala nga akong alam.
Eh kung wala ka palang ideya sa pinaggagawa mo, ba't pinasok mo yan?
Malaki daw kasi kita dito eh. Malay ko ba, ang dami-dami na palang iisipin.
Malaki daw kita. Eh wala ka namang alam sa media at events.
Eh ano nga ang magagawa ko? Wala nga akong alam sa content na yan, tsaka sa souvenir na yan.
O siya na, may tutulong naman sa'yo eh. Usapin mo na lang ha.
Ha? Sino?
Basta, tatatak yun sa'yo.
Sino tatatak? Sino yun?
Tatak provide a variety of high-quality digital content to help in building brands. Itatak. Tatak, a souvenir provider service where highly customizable, digitally etched leather items can be enjoyed. And Tatak to go.
Hello, I'm Blair. At ako ang CEO ng Tatak. I'm in charge of all the business operations of our company, making sure that every part of it runs smoothly, from strategy, planning, to execution, and growth.
Hi, I'm Kai. I'm Stacy, and we handle marketing for Tatak. We focus on creating engaging and creative content that showcases and promotes content creation and leather product services.
We manage our social media presence, from planning posts to conceptualizing visuals and interacting with our audience.
Through strategic posting, we make sure that the Tatak story and services reach the right people.
And leave a lasting impression.
Hello! Ako si Eugene Cabue, ang creative head ng Tatak.
Hi, my name is Justin Lex, and I am the head assistant of the creatives team.
Our task is simple. Blend video storytelling with craftsmanship.
Hoy! Kinalimutan niyo ako ah! Ako si Julian Tamamam, and part din ako ng creatives team. Video editor at videographer. At syempre, hindi lang ako basta-basta video editor at videographer. Ako din ang finance manager ng Tatak. Ako ang in-charge na.
Hey everyone, I'm Alex Santos.
I'm Brandon Trinidad.
I'm Shan Ramos.
Hi, I'm Ricardo Marasigan, the head of logistics. Our team ensures the security of supplies and good relationships with suppliers and customers alike and the timely completion of orders for the satisfaction of our customers.
At ako naman si Andy Correa, logistics assistant, and I'm proud to be part of this team.
At Tatak, naniniwala kami in creating impact through purposeful work. And I'm very proud to lead a team that brings that very vision to life every single day.